entrepreneur. You want to take your company value to 300 million, we gon' show you how to do it. But we got the roadmap, the aspirations. We'll give you a game plan and strategies. Seize control of your company's destiny today by tuning in to Private Capital Mastery. Yeah. Let's start the show.
Welcome back to the Private Capital Mastery Podcast. I'm Brian Franco, and I'm super excited to have you back with us. I have thoroughly enjoyed developing this podcast and sharing my experiences as an investment banker and how we have deployed over $2 billion of capital to our clients. My intentions are to equip you with the knowledge that I have accumulated over the years by opening up my playbook and giving you the inside track on how to access the trillions of dollars available to you in the private capital markets. Today, we will be sharing what you need to know in dealing with professional debt and equity investors. As founders and entrepreneurs, you've become experts in your trade and have a knowledge or know-how in your respective industries. The problem that I've seen case after case is the lack of knowledge in leveraging your business to access the capital that you need to scale, all while collapsing time and creating a robust culture in your company. And for those of you who have said to yourselves, who would ever acquire my company when I'm ready to exit? I can tell you that there are hundreds, if not thousands, of investors seeking to acquire companies in your industry. You need to understand that the committed capital available to you has already been raised and is ready to be deployed. You just need to be ready so that you can transact when you're given the opportunity to transact. Growing or selling a business has its specific challenges, and the access to more capital has been at the top of many of your lists. Most of us believe that the only source of capital comes from our traditional banks in the form of an asset-based loan or a working line of credit. Well, I'm pleased to inform you that there are many more options available to you. You just need to open your mind and discover how to work with private debt and equity investors. The possibilities for founders and entrepreneurs to access capital come in many flavors depending on what your company's appetite is. To each of you that are exploring the sale of all or parts of your business for purpose of building an exit ramp to retirement, and to the ones seeking to grow your business either organically or through acquisitions of other like companies. I'm here to help you understand the possibilities of accessing the capital that you need and to perfect your plan. You need to understand that professional investment groups didn't dedicate their careers to starting up a company like yours. They dedicated their careers to finding you, to backing you, and to scale your business with the committed capital that they are deploying every single day. Just like the case studies we shared in our last episode, if there was not committed capital that was intended to be deployed into growing companies, the road to growing and scaling would be very different and perhaps much slower. So the solution is simple. If you're at the stage in your journey where you're hyper-focused on growth, then you would likely be aligned with a debt or equity partner that understands your industry. They understand your specific niche and subscribe to your approach to scaling your business 3 to 5 times its current size over the next 3 to 7 years. For those of you seeking to design and build that exit ramp for you and your stakeholders, the solution is very straightforward. Build an exit strategy plan that meets your expectations and achieves the ultimate outcome for the business. In both scenarios, your initial course of action is to collaborate closely with a team of seasoned advisors to craft a comprehensive strategy that aligns with your objectives, surpasses your expectations, and safeguards the business's continuity. This advisory team typically comprises of an investment banker, a tax expert, legal counsel, and a wealth advisor. Together, these professionals will deliver a multifaceted strategy, guiding you through the planning process and helping you navigate potential challenges seamlessly ensuring a smooth journey forward. All of your careful work and planning will provide you with an outcome that otherwise would not be achieved without the expert knowledge of your team. If you are seeking to build a team of expert advisors and would like to be connected so that you can learn more, I encourage you to reach out to us at info@meritage-partners.com, and you will be referred to advisors that have experience in navigating you and your company through the planning process. We hope you enjoyed this informative episode of Private Capital Mastery. I'm your host, Brian Franco, and I look forward to spending more time with you next Tuesday as we focus on finding the right capital partners to turbocharge your business growth. Until then, have an amazing week, and we'll see you next time.